Do you spend countless hours recording and re-recording videos? Or are you camera shy? Maybe you just don't feel like getting camera ready today. That's okay. Let Google's friendly AI avatars help you out. Showing your face in business videos can foster a stronger connection with your prospects and clients. This is especially true for small business owners who are often the face of their brand. But I understand that not everyone loves being on camera. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. Today, I want to talk about how to put AI avatars to work for you in Google Vids.
Google has introduced a set of friendly AI characters who will narrate your video in Google Vids. You don't even have to turn on your camera because they will do all the work. Here's a Google Vids video file. When you click the avatar icon on the right, at the top, you have the script. At the bottom, you can choose from the currently available avatars. For example, me. Hi, my name is Aditi. Then you have Google Vids generate the video block using the avatar's image and voice. Think about it. Next time you want to create a video, you don't even have to comb your hair because one of your friendly AI colleagues can speak the words you write and represent you in your video.
And you can choose more than one AI avatar per video if you like.
We'll make sure to keep your videos engaging.
Thank you for your help, Aditi, Samir, and Kim. Now, friends, may I please have my camera and microphone back? Aditi, I promise I combed my hair. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.